Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to download Capitec app in your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you will never miss any update from us. Let's begin the video. In order to download Capitec app, go to the Play Store if you are Android user, and if you are iOS user, go to the App Store. Here you can see the search bar. Type in Capitec app. Now tap the install button. While installing or downloading the app, make sure to have a strong internet connection. Capitec is a banking app which is secure, easy to use. To know more about this app, you can see the description. You can also see the ratings and reviews. You can also read the reviews and see the ratings. Once the app gets installed, you can open the app by clicking open button. So this is how you can quickly download Capitec Bank app in your mobile phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.